Y'all gotta let me pray first. Y'all gotta let me go.
Come on, boy.
I am. Hold on.
Let me get to that. No. I had to grab it, remember? You see that bitch's hand? Damn! And I was like, damn! She had the tracks, so fucking whack, all up in the back. Ooh. Yes, stop spilling that juice! Oh, she gonna throw the juice anyway. Let me say something. Yo, don't smoke with motherfuckers. I say smoke by yourself because the retarded ends up coming out. Had 2 motherfucking Dutchies. That was some green. Always get your green from Chester, my nigga. I ain't gonna tell y'all who, but what we got that fuck. Chester! These my nigga keep bursting. Happy birthday to you! Oh my God! It's like a movie. That should be dying. That should be hot. That shit. This is gonna die like this bitch, dude. Y'all is so fucking nice. Then they be like 5 months later, like the scary shit. Oh yeah, they be recording. Yeah. No music. Hey. Hey. I'm sorry if you do your thing again. Young yeah, my niggas say, do I figure a man come past X foot my digits? Nah. He asked could he give me a call later. I said nah, cause I'm already taking. Ooh, move too fast while I leave past your ass. What you ain't know? You're moving too slow. Life goes fast. What you ain't know? You're moving too slow. Ooh, bitches out here sucking all reckless. When they step to this, they best to believe I'm testing this. Ooh, testing this. Keep testing this. Why I say that? Cause Lee is the best at this, the game that we ain't playing. Young L's, my Mikey Air, Invasion. Kill him your crown. We about to get it in your crown.